Hello and welcome to another drawing video. Today we're going to learn how to draw Calcifer from Howl's Moving Castle. We're going to do the eyes first, very carefully with the curved lines. And we'll do the other eye too, exact same size. And we'll draw the pupil. Next we'll draw his mouth. And he has kind of a surprised look on his face. His mouth is kind of a frowny mouth, curved lines pointing down. Let's start from the top. Do his head, curve, and then around. And we'll do a little tick at the bottom. Do another curved line, like a U shape on the top. Then it curves down and around his head with a little tick on the side. Then we'll do his arm. His arm will be holding a log. So we got a curved line on both sides, curved line on the top of the arm, curve on the bottom, and the hand with 3 little fingers on it. And we'll do the same on the other arm. Curved line, little fingers, and then curved line there to finish the arm. Now we'll do around the head. We'll just copy those same lines, curve, except on the top there we got that squiggle. Then it comes to a point, and curve down, squiggle. Another curved line. Now we'll follow the head, go down, and then curve up. That little tick. And then we'll curve on the other side. Now we can draw a little tiny teardrop shape. That's a little piece of the flame. And we'll do the log next. Straight line. And then on the end here we'll do a oval shape with a little swirl inside of it. And on the other side it'll just be flat with a sliver taking out of that wood. And then another line on the bottom matching the top, straight across with a stick coming out of it, and then on the end of the stick another oval and an oval shape on the top. Now we'll use a fine liner to do the small details in the log. So we're going to follow the line around. It's okay if the lines aren't exactly straight because wood is organic and organic material tends to be a little bit random. So we'll put also some swirls in there to make it look like it has knots, and some other straight lines, and another curl in the middle. And that makes it look like wood. Some more little straight lines there. And we're ready to color. We'll start with some brown, add some red on the outside of the flame, and then orange on the inside. And we're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.